Introducing the brand new app for Community Unit School District 200. It's everything CUSD 200 in your pocket. This is the home screen. Tap the schools icon in the bottom right to select a specific school. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom left to see all the menu items. To turn on push notifications, tap Settings and select Push Notifications. The Events section shows a list of events throughout the school. You can use this button to add an event to your calendar, or tap here to share the event with friends and family. The feed is where you'll find updates from administration about what's going on throughout the school, whether that's celebrating a student success or reminding you about an upcoming deadline. Search Wheaton Warrenville CUSD 200 in the App Store or Play Store to explore the app for yourself. It's everything CUSD 200 in your pocket.